node in the intermediate, like if I am deleting 15, 46 or 200, then instead of deleting these values, we go to their successor or predecessor. So next level 46 का successor क्या है? 50.
Yes, sir.
So go to right of 46, then keep to the left most. Here and copy the value of successor to that node. 50 की 46 पे copy कर दो and then delete the successor. और 46 का predecessor क्या है? 30. 30 को वहाँ copy कर दो, 30 को delete. Effectively, what we are saying, we will be deleting a value in bottommost layer. We will be deleting a value in bottommost layer. For bottommost layer में also, जैसे हम with 1000, already I am having 800 or 900 values. Up to 500, if I keep on deleting, no problem. But if I reduce below that, like in this case, if I delete if the bottommost layer में now, here each node is having 2 keys and 3 children. So if I node is having 4 children or 5 children, I delete a value, there is no problem. But if I delete a node having exactly 3 children, then we may face problem. That property that each node should have m by 2 children, that is violated. So in such situation, then what we have to do? Suppose I want to delete 10 and maybe this node is having some value, say 7 or I want to delete this 10. So what I will do then, we look into its left neighbor or right neighbor. If the left or right neighbor is having some extra value, say here we are having one extra value, 7. Then for deleting this 10, what will do? 10 will be deleted, 7 will go up and 8 will go down. So we'll borrow from its
Left
neighbor
or right neighbor
or
right.
if possible. But sometimes that is also not possible. Now in this situation, I cannot borrow from here, I cannot borrow.